Take command of the road in the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to rear park assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.